Hey YouTube, here's one I have not shown in a while. Here's my 2000 Phantom Fury orange 12 amp upright vacuum. This is my first Fury I ever got. Technically my first Fantom. As you can see, I have quite a bit and two more. They're stored at my grandma's house. This is one I haven't ran in a while, simply because this is the first one and I really don't want to use it that much. So just a little rundown. I picked this up 2 years ago in Seattle, Washington, about 2 hours away from me. For vacuum was $80 and I paid my mom $60 to take me and get it. So yeah, here's the other ones. This is the only one that I have besides these two, which I also picked up locally. Not locally, but all three of my Phantoms I picked up in my state have been over 2 hours away. Got the Phantom Fury Special Edition, Phantom Fury Special Edition Plus, the Phantom Fury 10 amp, the limited edition, the Thunder, Domestic, and the Green Fury. So, got all these over here too. Excuse me, damn. Got my cordless vacuums and pistols and all that. Anyway, I'm gonna give you all what you want. I noticed that these Fantom videos don't seem to get that many views, so, yeah. Next up will be this video. Most likely that. So, there's my cat. She's probably not gonna like this, so, I'll go ahead and put in 0.5 so you can see her in the vacuum whenever I turn it on. So, here we go. And she's gonna run away. Headlight bulb I took out of it. I have another one that's what I meant, I just forgot. So yeah, there's that. There's the Fantom that started it all. So yeah, thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.